So, hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So, in this video, what we are going to do, we are going to build this project. Okay, so what this project does? We are using the Llama model here, and we have the computer vision capability here. So, what we can do, we can simply upload an image here. If, for example, I upload this image. I uploaded this image. Okay, so this is basically a Python compiler image. Okay, so now I can ask any question about this image. So if I ask LLM2, what is this image all about? Okay, so when I click on get AI response, so it will take a few seconds and it will generate the response. Like it will analyze the image, what is this image all about, and it will give us the response. Okay, so let's wait. Okay, so it's generated the response. So the image represents the comprehensive overview of essential feature of definition and online compiler. Okay, so this told me this is online compiler related image. Okay, and it's also generated the content. Okay, so if I ask the question about this, what is Python compiler? Okay, so if I ask this question, then I will click on AI response. Now this will generate me the response. Okay, so online compiler is software to translate the Python source code into a machine code. Okay, so I can change with my image here. Okay, so for example, suppose if I click on the another image. Okay, if I go on this Python images. Okay, Python string images. Okay, so here I will get some of the images related to Python strings. Okay, I got the image. It's in a JPG format, so I will copy, I will save it. Okay, and I will now paste it here. Okay, I paste it here. Okay, I got this image, and now I can ask the question. What is this file all about? Yeah, image all about. I can ask anything. Okay, so it is analyzing the image, what's the image all about, and it will give me the comprehensive answer. Okay, so it gave me the answer. The image so screenshot of Python script, especially focus on string formatting. Okay, title is string formatting. Okay, so it has the capability now, like it can read the file also, like what is this file all about. Okay, and I can ask the question about also, what is string formatting. Okay, now I will ask this question. It will analyzing. Okay, it will take some time and it will give us the answer. Okay, it gave us the answer, like what is the string formatting. Okay, it gave also the example. So what is this example? No, here is a different example. Okay, no problem. So it gave us the complete overview of string formatting. Okay, so you can also build this project. We will build this project in our today's video. Okay, and for this purpose, for this model, I use this run pod. Okay, so if you don't know about the run pod, you can watch my old videos. I describe there like what is run pod and how we can use this. Okay, so I use this LLM model here, like this Rama 3.2 and 11 billion model. Okay, so I just copy this and paste it in my chat here. Okay, if I connect with my terminal, and I use the F40 for this. Okay, so I will just paste this. Okay, and I will put this first. Okay, I have downloaded this, and so it will not take much time. Oh, it will done. Okay, because I have already this in my system. Okay, in my Linux system, and for this, I am using the 100 GB disk and a 100 GB pod volume and A40 for this purpose. Okay, so, what we have done in a code. So let's go. I think we have to create it first one by one. Okay. So I will do one thing. I will open a new folder and I will go on a download. Okay, and I will create a new folder here. Okay. YouTube Vision project, and I will paste it. Select this folder. Okay, now we will write this code one by one. Okay, so I will close this first, and till then, if you have not subscribed this channel, it's a wonderful channel. So subscribe this first. we have a target of 200 subscriber. Okay, so subscribe it fast, so you so that you will not miss any new videos related to AI and data science, data engineering related. Okay, so and you can present this project in your college projects also. Okay, so let's just start coding. So first we will create a new file like interface.py, and we will create one more file gen ai.py. Okay, we will create this file here. Okay, so first we have to write the code for code here. Okay, so for this purpose, what you can do, you can use the GitHub Copilot to write the code here. I am using the like 3.5 Sonnet. Okay, so what I can do, I close the window. Okay, okay, it's opening. So I also write my complete code with this, like with the Sonnet. Okay, you can write the codes from the Sonnet also. I think I gave close, so that's why it will not open. So not a problem. You can write the code with the Sonnet, and you can, if you need to download the code from my source code, then you can download it easily from my link in the description. Okay, you can directly download the code from there. Okay, so let's just start writing the code. So we are using the Streamlit here. So first we will import the Streamlit here. Okay. Okay. So first we will import Streamlit HST. Okay. What I did. Okay. It's done. Okay. Now we will use the def main function. I will create it here. Okay. And I will write it here. Page configuration. Okay. And st dot set page configuration title. Okay, so I use the emoji also here. Okay, I think I have closed it. Okay, so I have to use the emoji here. So what I will do, I will just uh, use my old code here, some part of my old code. I will explain all the things like what I did in my code. Okay, so I did this. Okay, so I just write a code like a page config page title and a page icon. I paste it here, and I use one markdown here. Okay, then what I did, I just created a sidebar here. So as you saw, I just explained I saw the interface of my old code. Okay, so I just created a sidebar here, a markdown, like how to use, and I just added some of the text here. Okay, and I added connect with us, and here are my social media icons. Okay, these are the social media icons, and these are the social media links. Okay, so I do one thing, I just warp it. Okay, these are the social media icon image, and these are the links, okay, of my accounts, and these are the headlines. So if I show you how it's looking, so what I will do, I just do this, run this function. Okay, and I will open a terminal so I can check how it's looking currently. Okay, so I will do one thing, streamlit run interface py. Okay, so it will run this file, and we can check side by side how it's looking currently. Okay, we will create the same interface for this. Okay, so I think we have the some spelling problem, stream okay, and I think it will run now. Good. If I run this. Okay, so I will get this. I just told you, I get a sidebar and a headline AI Vision Chat Assistant. Okay, so now what I will do, I will just look at the interface here, like file and chat input. Okay, so what I will do, I just close this first. Okay, and I will create a new thing here. So what I did, I just divide this into a two column, call one and call two. Okay, and I added the some content like in call one to upload the file and the call two like the image preview, like how the image is looking. Okay, so if I check this, I will save it and I can check it here. Okay. Okay, so I think some mistake. It is coming in this page. Okay, so I have to changes the thing here. Okay, so what I can do, I will just go here. Okay, and I think I just added inside this, and I will do this. Okay, okay, I think we have to do this, and it will come the in a other another page. Okay, okay, we will do this formatting. Okay. Okay, I think it will be good now. Okay, it's coming good. Okay, like as my like old code, it's like same. Okay, so what I can do, I can check it here, browse files. Okay, and I will paste it here, and the file will be show here. Okay. Okay, that's good. The file is showing here, and I can ask the question here easily. So I have to add now the LLM functionality here. So and the submit button here. So I can when I click on the submit, the file and the text will go to the LLM, and LLM will be give us the answer. Okay. So what I will do here. So I can extend also here, like here I'm uploading the file, okay, and the file types are the ditch, okay. Then I am just seeing the how the file is looking like preview, okay. Then I just write the HTML markdown and the input, okay. Now I have to write the a functionality for the submit button. Okay, so I just write the code for the submit button. It's like gets submit button. Okay, so when I click on this, okay, so I'm getting the click button here. Okay, get AI response. Okay, so it's giving me like asks about images not defined. Okay, that's good. But now what we have to do, like we have done the interface part. Okay, now we have to done the backend part also for this. Okay, so first I explain like what I'm doing here. Okay. So I'm doing like SD button. When click on button, like it will check if file is there or not. If the file is there, it will start the explainer so that the analyzing things, okay, and then it will like transferring the file and input to the function of asks about image, okay. We will create this function, okay. Then we are doing the markdown and we are printing the response here in a success step, okay. If we are getting the error, like as we got the error, this error, and it will give us the like oops, an error occur, okay. And it will also show the warning, okay, and it will run. So we have to write the backend function here. But if you have not subscribed to my channel till now, so subscribe first, then watch the video. Okay. So what we do, we will create a Gen AI function here. So what we will do in this function, like we will create a function to call the LLM which we have created here. This LLM we have to call this in my code. Okay. Okay. So I just write the code for this. So what am I doing? Like I'm importing the Ollama import client. Okay. So in client, what I'm doing, like I'm hosting, like I'm providing the base URL to the LLM. Like this is the URL, and you have to go on this URL and to run this function, okay, to run this LLM, okay. So I write a code like def ask about image, okay, and input file and the user question, okay. So I just define like this is the user question and this is the input file, okay. So every time when I click on the submit button, this function will call and it will run this LLM, okay, from this URL and give me the answer, okay. It's a simple things, okay. You have to write only this code for this purpose, okay. Now what I can do, like I will first I think I have to change the function name. You can keep this function name, but for my easy understanding, vision.py, okay. Because in my last code I write this, okay. You can pick any name, okay. So what I will do now, from vision import ask about image, okay. Now I can run this. This will be my complete code. Okay, and okay, the file is already uploaded, so I can ask the question. What is this image all about? Okay, so I will click on get AI response, and it will give me the response. Okay, okay, so it gave me the answer like the image appears to be a screenshot of online course or tutorial of Python programming. Okay, so I will change the image now. Like what image I should paste it here? Okay, I will paste it here, this image. Okay, and I will ask the same question, what is this image all about? And get AI response. Okay, it will take few seconds more. Okay, it gave me the answer like what is this image all about. So when I check this image, it's a important feature of online compiler. Okay, so it will give me the like user interface and usability, the same thing. Okay, speed and performance next, it will be the same thing. Okay, so it's all over this project completed. Like you can use it in your college project and your in your in your workspace. Like it's a simple project, but you have to write the some few codes for this purpose. And we used Runport for this. You can use the other model also for this purpose. You can use the Grok API also for this. If you have the Grok API access, and if you have the Runport access, then that will be good. You can use the Runport direct here and integrate in your code. Okay, so it's our complete project. And if you have not subscribed yet our YouTube channel, then subscribe fast because if you have not subscribed this channel, then you will miss the next video and you will regret. Like because every Sunday I will create a new project here and upload the video here. Yeah, bye bye.